welcome to my channel. I need my phone back. I am here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Sorry, Graham's trying to figure out something on my phone. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. I actually had a long list of stuff that I wanted to get, and then I looked at my CRTs when they posted up at the middle of the night last night. So then I'm like, okay, I gotta hurry up and cut all these coupons out before I go to work this morning. So Benjamin is waiting patiently for these, but Easter hit 90% off, and I was eyeing these up last week, but I was not gonna spend what they wanted. But this is the Easter Club sticker hunt. There is, how many eggs are in here? There are 16 eggs in here, and they originally wanted $4.99 for this. So I got this for 49 cents. I think that is a great deal. I'm debating if we're gonna keep it for Ben's birthday party, or we're just gonna
for my birthday party.
Or we're just gonna let him play with it. But I couldn't pass that up. And then I saw this little rabbit. I think it is so cute. Ben was just playing with this like crazy, but and he just like goes in circles on the table. He was originally $14.99 and I got it for $1.49, and it is so soft. So I had to get that for Benjamin because we don't have a lot of... Are you done tripping over stuff? Okay. So, yeah, there's that. I ended up getting the bigger size eggs because I got a ton of the smaller ones, but I thought I'm going to get some bigger ones. So these, there are 18 of them in here for $2.99, 90% off. Make some. Just 29 cents. I got 4 of them. I don't know what happened to the 4th one. It's right here. So I got 4 of those. So I plan on doing some DIYs next year with them, or some wreaths so I can start selling them ahead of time. So I wanted to share with that for you guys. Yeah, one of those toys keeps going off from Walgreens. I found these baskets and I was eyeing these baskets up too. Now these were originally $5.99. I got them for 59 cents. I think these are super cute. These are perfect for the gift baskets ideas that I'm going to do. I'm not going to use these for Easter. I'm actually using these baskets to put stuff in and then wrapping it up. So I just wanted to get a couple of these baskets because you can fit a ton of stuff in here. So I just wanted to get those, and I just took what they had. So now let's get in with the couponing. Oh, sorry, I got 2 more items to share with you guys. I ended up getting a tattoo egg hunt, and this is with dogs. So I thought that was super cute. And then this is perfect for his birthday. It is emoji eggs, and there's emoji tattoos in here. So I thought that was super cute. So I got those for 49 cents also. So now let's just dig in, and I can share with you guys what I got, because I went crazy at Walgreens today, or CVS today. So I ended up getting, I have them all over the place. I ended up getting Maybelline eyeshadow. Now these were $3.99. I used that $2 off CRT that we got from last week. What do you want?
This.
No, just leave it here, honey. I need it for a second, okay? So you guys want to use that $2 off CRT. You guys would pay $5.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $5 ECB back, making it just 98 cents for both of them. I do it for both cards, which I don't know where the other one is, so could not pass up that deal. I had so many coupons, and I could probably go back and do some more deals, but I'm like, I have to go somewhere. I'm having a girls' night tonight, so I had to do that. I'm sorry, my stuff's like all over the place. I never emptied my bags because I thought I didn't have a lot in these bags. Okay, so I ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste. Now these were $2.99 a piece. There's a deal right now where if you guys use a 50-cent off coupon, you guys would get these for 49 cents. But I had a CRT from last week for $2 off any Colgate. So I ended up doing 2 of these deals because it ends up just being like a couple cents less for a moneymaker. So if you guys did have that CRT and you just bought one, it comes out to be $1.51. What if you guys do is you buy 2, they're both $2.99. You guys want to use 2 50-cent off coupons and that $2 off CRT. You guys would just pay 49 cents or $2.98. You can pay 49 cents for one of them or $2.98 for two of them. But then you guys get $2 ECB and a $2 ECB, making this a $1.02 moneymaker. So I could not pass that deal up. So I had to do that deal. And again, I did that with both of my cards. I have it all in this bag. Yeah. So I ended up doing that deal twice because I had 2 cards and I could not pass up free toothpaste. I know. I'm just going crazy. Oh my goodness. Hold on, you guys. I'm just crazy today. Just a crazy. Okay. There's more stuff in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I ended up doing that deal again also with my other card. So there is that. I ended up doing the CoverGirl mascara. No. I ended up having, these were $7.79. Go upstairs. These are $7.79. You guys want to use two $2 off coupons that you guys can get from a couple weeks ago. Plus there's a 3 off of 15 CRT that I used for CoverGirl. So I paid $8.58 for these. But then you guys will get an $8 ECB back, making it just 58 cents for these. And I think I have used this mascara before, and I do like it. Okay, so the next deal I got is the Rimmel Scandal Eyes. Now these are $4.79. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons that were on coupons.com that are no longer available anymore. You guys would pay just $3.58 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $4 ECB, making this a 42-cent moneymaker. So you couldn't go wrong with that. I ended up getting the L'Oreal Aleve. These were $4.99 a piece. There's a deal where if you buy 3, you get $8 ECB. So what I ended up using is a $4 off 2 coupon and then a $2 off 1 coupon. I also had a 4 off 18 that I combined with my other shampoo and conditioner that I got. But without that 4 off of 18, it comes to $8.97. You guys get $8 back in an ECB. Plus, you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta. It is only a limit of 1. So this comes to be 47 cents for 3 bottles of shampoo and conditioner. I think that is a great deal. I ended up getting the Honey Bunches of Oats. Now, I wanted to get the regular one, but they did not have it. So I ended up just getting the almond ones. So these were $1.99. I used $1 off a 2 coupon that we got from like Grocery Network, something like that. You guys would just pay $2.98 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a 25-cent rebate times 2 on Ibotta for the Post cereal. You guys would just get these for $2.48 or $1.24 a piece, which can be a pretty decent deal for cereal. I ended up getting the Venus razor and the Gillette Mach 3 razor. Now this was $11.99 and this was $9.49. My store didn't have any of the cheaper ones, which is not a big deal. I really wanted to get this one anyways. So these, I ended up using 2 $3 off coupons. I had a Peely hang tag coupon that was sitting there, and then I had a $3 off one from the P&G. So then I also had a 3 off of one for the Gillette or the Venus one. So I ended up paying $12.48 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $10 ECB, making it just $2.48 or $1.24 for these, which I think is a pretty good deal. I really like this new razor, so I could not pass that up. I ended up getting the Suave body wash because these are buy one get one 50% off. I used, I had a $1 off a 2 coupon, plus I used a $2 off a 2 CRT that I got from last week. I ended up just paying 13 cents for the both of these, which I think is a great deal. So you could not pass up cheap body wash. I already guys told you about the Colgate cereal. I ended up getting Almay. I don't know if I did the Almay deal, but these were $6.99 a piece. I did it in both transactions. So $6.99. I used a 3 off of two $3 off coupons, plus I had a 3 off of 12 makeup, and I had a $3 off Almay. So you guys would end up paying $1.98. Now if you guys don't have that 3 off of 12 makeup, you guys would just pay $4.98. But then if you bought 2 or you spent 10, I can't remember how much you spent, or buy 2, whatever, you guys would get a $4 ECB. So this either becomes a $2.02 moneymaker, or you get 2 of them for 98 cents. So I got these as a moneymaker for one transaction, and the other one I got for 98 cents. So could not pass up the Almay. I thought I was going to really like this eyeshadow. It is very sheer. It's not like bold, and I like wearing bold eyeshadows. So just giving you guys a heads up that it is kind of a sheer eyeshadow. Now I ended up doing the Gliss shampoo and conditioner. Now these were 2 for $10. I used a $4 off a 2 coupon that we got, and I don't know when that coupon expires, but I used that. And then I also had a 4 off 18, so I factored that in with the L'Oreal. So I used that up. And then I got the Got To Be. Now, the coupon says you can only use 1 per transaction, so I bought one by itself, and then I bought the other one with all my other stuff. So I used a $2 off coupon for each of those in 2 separate transactions. But if you guys bought all 4 of these, and you guys can use that 4 off of 18 CRT, you guys would just pay $8 for the 4 of these, but then you guys will get $5 back in an ECB, making it $3. But then I had a $2 off Savings Star deal, and I had a $2 off Savings Star deal for the Got To Be. So all 4 of these end up becoming a $1 moneymaker. So from going from 20 bucks to a $1 moneymaker, I think that is a great deal. The next deal I got is the Wet n Wild. Now I did, what happened to my other one? Okay, so I did 2 separate transactions with the Wet n Wild because I had 2 different cards and I could not pass that up. So the first deal, a lot of you guys told me you really like this, is the eyeshadow primer by Wet n Wild. I really want to use this. I use an eyeshadow primer already. But I'm like, you know what, if I can get something super cheap, I'll try it out. I hope it has a wand. Might not. I'm not sure if it does or not, but I'm definitely going to use this. So this was $5.29. And then I got this like liquid catsuit lip gloss. It's new. But I thought that was a very pretty color. So that was $4.99. I used 2 50-cent off coupons that we just got in today's paper. Plus I had that 4 off of 10 CRT that we got. So I paid $5.28 for these 2. But then I got a $5 ECB back, making it just 28 cents. So I thought that's a pretty good deal. 28 cents for 2 items. I'm sick of getting the same stuff. I either get the lipstick or the nail polish. And I'm like, you know what? It's nice to get some things that I could actually use. The next deal I got the Wet n Wild mascara. Now this was $2.99, and then I got the Wet n Wild eyeshadow, and this was $3.99. I used two 50-cent off coupons for the Wet n Wild, and then I also used a $1 off coupon for the mascara. I used that 4 off of 10 CRT. So I paid $4.97 for all three of these, but then you get a $5 ECB back, making it a 3-cent moneymaker. So that is a pretty good deal. So that was my haul. I think I got a lot of stuff. I probably hit beauty like super crazy. I'm not sure if body wash is considered beauty anymore, but I definitely made beauty. So I know I'll be getting at least $6 or $9 for that because I went crazy over beauty. I mean, right here is 20 bucks for beauty. 15. This is like another $20. You know, $12. So I think I'll probably end up getting $9 or $12 back for beauty for one of my cards because that's how crazy I bought stuff this week. So with my one card, my new card, transaction number 1 came to 97 cents. I used $36 worth of ECBs, but then I received $36 back, so it ended up becoming just 97 cents. So that's a great deal. My second transaction came to 71 cents. I used $14 worth of ECBs, but I only received 4 back. And then I also got 50 cents back with Ibotta. So that came to just $10.21, which I still think I paid 71 cents for that transaction. My third transaction came to $1.94. I got 50 cents back with Ibotta. I used $33, but I received $31 back. And then I also will be getting $4 back from Savings Star. So that comes to be a 56-cent moneymaker. So if you got everything together, I got 45 items. 45 items for $10.62. That comes out to be 24 cents a piece. I think that is a great deal. I mean, 10 bucks for 45 items is really good. I mean, you could go to the store and buy a bottle of shampoo and conditioner if you didn't have any coupons for the same price. And plus, look at all the other stuff that I got. So, yes, I love to share with you guys what I got, and so you guys can do the same kind of deals. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I know majority of you guys are, and you love the hauls that I do. If I missed any other really good deals, please let me know so I might make another trip back. But I'm hoping I got everything that I needed. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.